Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and are you looking to add a little more sparkle to your jewelry at home? Then you have to check out this awesome ultrasonic jewelry cleaner from Seepark. I wanted this primarily to clean my jewelry, but it cleans so much more than that. I can use it on my eyeglasses, I can use it on makeup brushes, and I can use it on really anything that is safe to fit inside of here. I love that it's super simple to use. I don't have to worry about having any specific cleaner. I can simply use my tap water. And for those extra hard to clean items, I add just a drop of dish soap to give it a little extra cleaning power. It has two separate timers, one 5-minute and one 7-minute. I found that using the 5-minute timer was a sufficient amount of time for most of my items to get nice and sparkly clean. I really appreciated the cleaning cloth that came with this set too. It was really nice and delicate. Even on some of my finer jewelry, it did such a nice job finishing off that shining process. It does come with a watch stand too, but I found it really helpful to put some of my finer stud earrings right on that stand so I didn't have to search around in the bottom of the container for them. I was so impressed at just how well this little machine works. It packs an extremely powerful punch. The ultrasonic frequency creates these little tiny bubbles, and you can even hear that vibration as it's cleaning all of the items that I put inside. I was confident that when I pulled out my items, they were clean. I love having the capability now to just clean my jewelry whenever I want to, or clean some of my other smaller items around the house. This jewelry cleaner from Seepark is so easy to use, and it does such an amazing job cleaning my items. It was the perfect addition to my cleaning cabinet, but that's just my point of view.